Welcome to our channel. Today we will be comparing two amazing printers from HP to help you decide which one is best for you. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. When it comes to cost, the HP DeskJet 2755e fits in the budget-friendly category, priced at just $74. On the other hand, the HP Envy Inspire comes with a price tag of $169. If you need a printer for basic color documents, go for the HP DeskJet 2755e. But if you need something more versatile, the HP Envy Inspire has a separate photo tray, advanced photo features, and can print high-quality borderless photos in multiple sizes. Both printers come with HP Plus Smart features that make printing a breeze. However, the Envy Inspire comes with an upgrade that enriches its already impressive range of features, true to phone quality prints, and custom photo features in the HP Smart app. When it comes to ink, both printers come with instant ink subscription options. However, the HP DeskJet 2755e offers you 6 free months of ink subscription when you activate HP Plus. After 6 months, a monthly fee applies unless canceled, and you can save up to 50% on ink. Meanwhile, the Envy Inspire only includes a 6-month trial of instant ink but offers true-to-phone quality prints. The HP Envy Inspire uses over 45% recycled plastic content, making it HP's most sustainable design yet. The DeskJet 2755e, on the other hand, has no reported sustainability features. That's it for our review of the HP DeskJet 2755e and the HP Envy Inspire. We hope our comparison has helped you choose the right printer for you. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this.